Case name Anush Raj and age is 42 years and today date is 14th of December 2023 and complain of change in voice due to unilateral vocal cord paralysis. So just tell about yourself, why you came here.
Sir, I met with an accident when I was 5 or 6 years old. At present I am 42 years old. And due to hoarseness and people say that your voice is not clear or low pitched voice.
Voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy and today date is 21st December 2023. So why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
I am having problem of voice hoarseness and pitch issues. When I consulted ENT doctors, they suggested to have first speech therapy. So
what was the finding of ENT doctor?
It has vocal cord paralysis. Due to this, there is gap in both the vocal cords and sound is having some hoarseness.
Yeah, so we'll be still continuing your treatment. We are just recording within 8 days, but picture अभी बाकी आपका ट्रीटमेंट आगे भी होगा. तो इस 8 दिन के थेरेपी के बाद लोगों को फ़ोन किया तो उनके रिएक्शंस कैसे आ रहे हैं?
People are saying there is slight improvement in my voice, not very much up till now. And other patients also here, they are also saying that slight improvement is there. And I am hopeful that even if there is slight improvement, in the coming days I will...
Yes, it means your body is responding on the therapy. So there is a hope and we'll be continuing a remaining session on the Skype through the online voice therapy mode.
Okay, sir.
And once we'll complete whole treatment, then also we'll be uploading one video after combining all these three. Means first before treatment, then after 8 days treatment, after completion of the treatment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at social media pages?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation and they can reach to the right place. Thanks for watching.